Hi guys! Nasa outing kami ngayon ng St. Albert. Yo, yeah! Hi! Si Agot, palis na! So sad. Hi! What's yo? Ako na iwan. Yo! Dakilang nagagawa ng hotdog. Collection ni Marian. Guys, ang Chimay Sisters. Hi. Guys, hi. Hi, Juice. Hi. Ayet. Hi. Ay, may tatawagan pala. Hi. Oy, sigaw kayo. We are in the greatest outing ever. Best outing ever! Ha?
May soft drinks pala tayong tubig.
Ako may tubig.
Hindi pa alam ng silent.
May hiling silent.
Caught up in this moment, caught up in your mind. I've never opened up to anyone, so hard to hold back when I'm holding you in my arms. We don't need correcting, let's get
Uy! Wala,